In this video, we will show you how to use the SYMA S107E Helicopter. In the package, you will find a helicopter and other accessories. To use the remote control, you need 4 AA batteries. Before using, please open the battery cover with a screwdriver and install the batteries in the remote control. When use the helicopter for the first time, please fully charge the battery. To charge the helicopter battery, please connect the USB charging cable to the battery, then connect the other end to the power source. The indicator light is off when charging and turns red when fully charged. It takes about 1 hour to fully charge the battery. To install the battery, place the battery into the battery compartment and close the cover. Then connect the battery wire to the helicopter. Place the helicopter on a level surface. Switch on the power button at the side of the helicopter. The indicator light will start blinking. Press the power button on the remote control. The remote light will start blinking too. Slowly push the left joystick up and down. When both the helicopter and remote light become constant, the signal pairing is successful. The first way to take off the helicopter is to push the left joystick up to start the motor. The blades will start to spin. Gently push it up again, the helicopter will take off. And push the left joystick down, you can land the helicopter. Another way to take off the helicopter is to use the one-key takeoff landing button. After the remote and helicopter are paired, press the one-key takeoff button. The helicopter will take off automatically. And press it again, the helicopter will land automatically.